Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful twist shawl. This project is very easy and quick to do, so it's a great project for the beginners. For this project I use this particular yarn, Lacca from Mondial. You can find all the links and how much yarn you need in the description box. And a 5.5 millimeters hook and a 4 millimeters hook to create the flowers. Okay, now we are going to chain 120 and close it in round. Here's a little trick to keep in your chains from twisting when working around. We do the first 10 chains, then insert your hook into the first chain in this loop behind. And keep it on your hook as you chain. And now we chain 110. Once completed, we pull your hook through the first and your chain will lay correctly. Okay, now chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet, then we do 1 double crochet in each chain along the round. Insert your hook in back loop only. Now pay attention, do not join to the third chain as usual, but instead twist your first double crochet stitches, then working on the opposite side. I suggest to place a marker into the first double crochet. And now we do 1 double crochet in each opposite stitch until we reach the marker again. Now remove the marker, then join with a slip stitch into the third chain. So this is the beginning of the twist shawl. So now chain 3, remember this counts as your first double crochet. Then we do 1 double crochet in each stitch along the round. I suggest to place a marker into the third chain, as we did before, and continue to do 1 double crochet until we reach the marker again. Of course, we remove the marker, then join with a slip stitch into the third chain. And now we are going to repeat this last round as we did before. So let's repeat together one more time. So first chain 3, remember this count as your first double crochet. Then we do 1 double crochet in each stitch along the round. I suggest to place a marker into the third chain. So we continue to work 1 double crochet in each stitch until we reach the marker again. So all we have to do now is to repeat this last round until we reach a length about 35 centimeters or 14 inches. When you are finished, your Matilde shawl should look something like this, with a twist on the front, and when you turn it over, the back should be nice flat. So now we are ready to cut the yarn, then weave the tails inside the garment. Okay, now grab the pink yarn and 4mm hook because we are going to create the 3D flowers. I choose these 3D flowers. I leave you the link of the video tutorial in the info box below. Here I have done a total of 9 flowers, and before proceeding to sew them on our Matilde shawl, I want to insert a little bead in the center of each flower using a tapestry needle. So now we are ready to sew the flowers on our shawl, so choose where you prefer to place them, then sew using a tapestry needle. So now let me show you the finished twist shawl Matilde. This yarn is a very particular yarn, is microfiber yarn, and is very soft to touch. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your Matilde twist shawl. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao e tanto love!